Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another self-care video, but today is self-care with friends because I'm collaborating with my friend Carrie Rad. She actually also has a channel here on YouTube with pretty similar content to mine, but she also has beautiful travel content. So for this collab on her channel, we did kind of like a sit-down, chit-chatty video with some of our top self-care tips. And then she came over to my house and we made some fun recipes. We did a workout in the backyard and then a little hike and some self-care and just had really a good time getting to know each other. She's just really a lovely, thoughtful person, and I felt like we had some really great conversations. And so yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in and share with you guys what we did. We started first with a mint cacao chip smoothie.
So we're gonna start with some almond milk. I feel like we can eyeball it. I'm thinking to like about here.
Oh, let me go for it?
Sweet.
All right.
So this smoothie is really easy to make, really yummy and delicious. I feel like I've made it before, maybe on my blog, but basically what we're doing here is we have almond milk, but you could use coconut milk if you wanted. We're adding bananas, we're adding spinach, a little bit of mint, a little bit of cinnamon, we've got some vanilla. I'm adding a kind of green powder that I like to put in some of my smoothies. And then we have ice. We're gonna blend that up. We also have some cacao nibs. So if you put the cacao nibs inside, it's gonna make for like a mint chip smoothie, which is really nice, and then you can top it with the cacao nibs as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend that up really nice and good, top it with some cacao nibs, and you have a really yummy green smoothie.
Boom, baby. It's still very Aussie. Get back. It's like, what do you guys make? I want some.
I actually learned about this recipe through Urban Remedy, which is Cindy Crawford and her friend like partnered up together and created basically like a cookbook, and this was one of the recipes in the cookbook, and I've been a fan of it for like several years now.
Hello. Oh, puppy yoga. We have something called downward dog that I think you would be great at.
It was a really beautiful day after the rain, so I told her to bring some of her workout gear. Ozzy's helping us out with our workout. She showed me a workout that she's been really liking right now called yin yoga. Well, it's basically just holding stretches for a really long time. It felt really good. So she showed me a few moves that she's been really liking. She's been taking yin yoga, and so yeah, she was showing me hers, and then I showed her a few that I like to do at home. I have like a little at-home series that I like to do, and it's always fun to do it with your friends if they're down and it's a beautiful day and you can go outside and get a little workout in. So we started with some of her yin yoga moves, and it's basically, like I said, just holding these stretches for a really long time, which felt amazing. So we started with that, which was really nice to kind of start with a good stretch. And then I showed her a few of my favorites. This one is called the Twisty Kickback. I learned this workout from Brooke Burke. She has a really cool app, and I really like her app because there's a lot of at-home workouts on there. And this is one of the workouts that I do all the time. Like I'll do it in my house, or if I'm outside hanging out with my kids. It's a really good one for the butt. And then we did these hand tap planks. I'm a big fan of resistance bands. You can find them on Amazon, and there are so many different workouts that you can do with them. They're about between $8 to $10. And so what I do is I really like these. These are kind of like lateral squat walks, and then also this workout right here, which is really good for your outer thigh. This particular one is really nice. I have an open band here. I put it around my hip, and this workout here really works your butt, and it's nice to have a friend holding it for you so that you have that resistance. That's definitely a really good booty burn move. So yeah, we did a few of those, and then we took a little hike around my property, and we went up the mountain, and we were just looking around. It smelled really nice actually just after raining, so we were just chit-chatting. And then after we did that, we just decided to go back in and make a little healthy lunch. So yeah, it was just really nice. It was so pretty outside, and I love when it's good weather. It's always just nice to kind of get out with friends and be in nature, and whether you're doing a workout or you're just hiking or walking or whatever, I feel like it's always really nice to do that with friends. So I wanted to prep a really easy throw and go quinoa salad for when she came. So everything was ready to go. I cooked some quinoa in the rice cooker. I had some spinach ready to go, so she went ahead and put that in there. We're gonna put some green onions, some black beans, some corn, some tomato. We're gonna add a lot of lime juice because I love that, Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper. And again, this is one of those things that you can prep ahead. You could throw and go, so it's great when friends come over, or even if you wanna take it as like a to-go lunch. It's really yummy and really easy to make. totally optional, but we added red pepper flakes and then a little bit of avocado oil, just to kind of, you know, for like a little dressing, so like a lime and avocado oil dressing. So you could also add avocado in there as well. I bet that would taste really yummy, but we actually didn't add it this time, but that would taste really yummy. Next time I'm going to do that. We weren't quite ready for the day to end, so we decided it might be a fun idea to do a little skincare treatment. So we both went and washed our faces, we did a little facial steam, and we put on some sheet masks. And since we both like to do self-care content, we thought it might be fun to do this together. So yeah, we just pulled a few sheet masks that I had, and we're using the facial steam from my store. And we're gonna do a little facial steam, so we have some hot water in a bowl. So we added the beautiful rose hibiscus herbal blend, and it has a little bit of calendula, a little bit of rose. It smells so nice. It's good for your skin and also your throat. And so we put that in the hot water, and we went ahead and did a facial steam.